A woman who suffered a heart attack at the finish line of the LA Marathon on Sunday has now died. Race organizers say 44-year-old Trisha Paddock collapsed near the finish line of the half marathon portion of the LA Marathon. She was there to raise money for the Asian American Drug Abuse Program. There's a GoFundMe campaign to help Paddock's family, and it has already raised more than $49,000. According to the fire department, Paddock's death was the first connected to the LA Marathon since 2007.